Welcome students to Thakur Vidya Mandir High School and Junior College. Today we are going to start with chapter number 7, Bill of Exchange part 1. Here, see the introduction here. When it is prepared, when goods or services are sold on credit basis, Bill of Exchange it is prepared. Now meaning here, Negotiable Instrument Act 1881, remember this year 1881, states that negotiable instrument means promissory note, bill of exchange or check payable either to order or bearer. Therefore, a bill of exchange is a written acknowledgement of debt. It is in writing, it is a proof. The next is a bill of exchange is drawn by the creditor on his debtor. It means seller on his buyer. See here, parties to a bill of exchange. There are three parties here: drawer, drawee, and payee. Drawer, he is a person who draws a bill, and therefore for him it is called as bills receivable. It is assets. Second, drawee. Drawee is a person on him the bill is drawn, and for him it is called as what a bills payable. It is liability. And payee is a person to whom the payment is to be made. Now see here the specimen so that you will understand here. This specimen, it will come for question number 1. You have to draw this specimen and the question will come here for 5 marks. See left hand side, it is a revenue stamp, and on the right hand side, name, because drawer is a person who is going to draw the bill. So name of the drawer, his address, and the date on which the bill is going to be drawn by him. Left hand side, the amount will come in figure, and the subject. Now this subject, it is going to be remain as it is. So dash after date, it means the bill amount, it is going to be paid for 2 months, 3 months, whatever the period that they will mention in the sum. Pay to. Pay to, it means if the drawer is asking to pay to him, so therefore it will come here, pay to him or any other third party. So pay to Mr. or Miss. Here, and or his or her order the sum of rupees, the amount of the bill in words, only for the value received. Now left hand side here, drawee's name, because he is a person who is on whom the bill is drawn, and therefore to drawee's name and his address, and he is going to accept this, and therefore his name will come here, and he is going to write here accepted and the date when he is going to accept the bill. And here on the right hand side, it is going to be signed by the drawer. So this is called what a bill of exchange. It is a pro forma. Now let us see here the types of acceptance here. Types of acceptance means drawer, he is drawing the bill, but many time it happens that he is asking certain conditions. So let us see here. There are two types of acceptance here: general acceptance and qualified acceptance. General acceptance, it means when the drawee accepts the draft without any charges or conditions. There is no conditions in this. Drawer is drawing the bill and he is mentioning the time and the amount of the bill, and drawee is ready to do the payment. That is called general acceptance. The second one is here qualified acceptance. Here it means when the drawee accepts the bill with certain qualifications to the order of the drawer. It means now in this case drawer is going to give certain order, maybe regarding the place or to whom the bill is going to be paid. That is called qualified acceptance. Let us see here in detail what does it mean. See, the first qualified acceptance is qualified as to time. It means when drawee accepts the bill subject to change in tenure or term. It means if the bill is drawn for 3 months or 2 months, maybe that drawee, he won't be in a condition to do the payment on that particular time period. He is going to do changes in that. Second is qualified as to place. It means when the drawee mentioned that bill will be payable at a particular place only. In this case, the drawee has to do the payment at particular place only. And the third is qualified as to amount. In this case, when the drawee accepts the bill for a part of the amount of the bill. In this case, though the drawer he has drawn the bill, but drawee he is going to do the payment of certain amount, and therefore he is going to mention that he is going to accept the bill for certain amount only. So this is called qualified as to amount. Next is number 4, qualified as to parties. When the drawee is not ready to pay the amount of bill to the payee named in the bill. That is called what here? Qualified as to parties. And the last one here, qualified as to condition. When the drawee accepts the bill subject to certain conditions being fulfilled by the drawer. So any instruction that is given by the drawer, and as per that conditions, drawee has to do the payment. So this we did about types of acceptance here. Now let us see here one illustrations, that is format of bill of exchange. Now this question that you can just see on your screen, this question will come for your question number 1 in objective, and it carries 5 marks. See here, from the following details prepare a format of bill of exchange. So you are supposed to prepare format of bill of exchange. Now in this drawer, it means he is the seller. He has sold the goods to drawee on credit basis. Drawer, his name and address is given over here. Mr. Prakash Rao, 648 Coral Plaza, SB Road, Pune. Name of drawee, Mr. Rahul Dev, 236 Rajpura Road, Jalgaon. Amount of the transaction 44,500. Tenure or term 3 months. Date of bill 3rd June and date of acceptance 7th June. And therefore there is no terms and conditions that we can see in this bill, and therefore it is called here general acceptance. Now let us see here how we are going to prepare bill of exchange based on this information. See here. Now here we have written bill of exchange. Left hand side here stamp is there, and right hand side name of drawer. The name of the drawer is Mr. Prakash Rao, and his address here 648A Coral Plaza, SB Road, Pune, and the date when he has drawn the bill. The next is here the amount of the bill here in number, that is 44,500. And now see here the subject. The bill is drawn for 3 months, and therefore here we are going to mention here 3 months, and it should always be in words. Remember students, it should always be in words. Don't write in numbers. So 3 months after date, paid to me or my order the sum of rupees 44,500 only for the value received. This is a general acceptance. Therefore, there is no terms and conditions. It means after 2 months, drawee is going to do the payment as per this. Now here, the bill is addressed to drawee, and therefore name and address of drawee will come over here. That is to Rahul Dev, 236 Rajpura Road, Jalgaon, and he is going to accept the bill, and therefore here accepted as means his signature. His name will come here, Mr. Rahul Dev, and the date when he has accepted the bill, that is 7 June 2019 as per the sum, and it is countersigned by drawer, that is Prakash Rao. So this is what here illustration, and based on this we are going to just prepare a format of bill of exchange. Now you have to remember that this address, it carries here 1 mark, again stamp, and 44 it is going to be distributed half and half mark here. This content, it carries here 1.5 mark, and here again this is going to be here 1 mark, half mark, and half mark. So this is the way your this bill of exchange it is distributed. So hope students, we have started with the new topic, that is bill of exchange. Today we did about meaning and types of acceptance, name of the parties, and I had just shown you one specimen also, and we solved one illustration also based on this specimen, that is bill of exchange. In next class we are going to start with journal entries, and before that we will just do a few more sums of specimen of bill of exchange. Thank you students. Thank you very much.